Hello everyone, welcome to our next topic. In this topic, we'll see how to surrender IEC. Under that, we will cover why to surrender an IEC. IEC means import and export code, how to surrender import and export code online, document and detail required for import and export code surrender, and step-by-step procedure for surrendering import and export code. So why surrender an IEC means import and export code? So there are some circumstances there where seller or trader want shut their business for multiple reasons. So whenever they shut their business, they whether one wants import and export product or service, IC registration is mandatory. However, in event where business will be shut down, then seller also surrender the IEC certificate. Means why you need to surrender ICC? There are a lot of circumstances that business are going to be shut down. Okay, so before the business shutdown, the seller or traders has registered in a import and export code for the import and export product or service. Okay, because import and export of a product and service, there is mandatory to register in import and export code. However, now business are going to be shut down. So seller need to be surrendered their import and export certificate to the DGFT. Okay, so that's why we need to be surrender IEC. Now, how to surrender IEC online, import and export code online? So IEC holder can surrender their IEC license online by submitting IEC registration application on DGFT website. Means you have to go to the DGFT website where you can surrender your IEC license online. Okay. So for surrender a IEC, what document or details required? So your registration email address, address and location of the business, PAN card, license number, and original IEC certificate, and cover letter of additional Director General of Foreign Trade. Cover letter to the additional General Government of a Foreign Trade, means DGFT. Okay. So these documents are required for the surrender DGFT. And now step-by-step procedure for surrendering IC. First, as I told you, we have to visit the DGFT portal. Okay. When you visit the DGFT portal, choose from the tab from the home page. You have to click service tab. From service tab, you have to come down the drop-down menu and you have to search IEC profile management. Okay. Once you select IEC profile management, then another page will be open, and that on this page you should have several options such as a persecutor and process involved with the IEC. Scroll down page until you did not find the surrender of IEC. Once you find the surrender of IEC, click on that. Okay, website will ask you to, when you click on the surrender IEC, website will ask you to log in with your registered email address and password. If you do not have an existing one, you can create new profiles also. Okay, for mobile, you have to, such as mobile number, pin code, district, state, and city, you have to update. After login, okay, check the relevant business details such as a PAN number, form number, etc. to click on surrender. Means you have to search that your PAN number is correct, form number, name is, everything is correct or not. After that, you have to click on surrender. The IC, once you click on the surrender, though successfully, the IC will successfully surrender and revoke you all the future transaction. Means all the future transaction means import and export, whatever things are there, they will closed for the business for that form. Okay, so I hope you have understand. Let's be so, or you can simply search. Okay, first step, you have to come to DGFT. That is the home page. Then click on service, find IC profile management. After that, you have to search for surrender. That's, you can see surrender IC. Once you click, you have to enter your username, password, then captcha, and then click on login. If you are not registered, then you have to register yourself. then you can log in. Once you log in, then you have to check whether your details are correct or not. After that, click on surrender button. Once you click, the success. Once you click, you will get a successfully surrender of IEC, and that after the surrender, you will not able to do import and export for your business. I hope you have understand why need to be surrender an IEC when we shut down the business. That time IEC need to be surrendered. Okay, how to surrender IEC online? You have to visit DGFT portal, and then from there you can easily submit your IEC. What document or details required? Your registration email ID, mobile number, PAN card, business and address, business location and address. Okay, and next, the step-by-step procedure for surrendering IECs. Just you have to visit DGFT, then service tab, then you have to search for IEC profile management. Once you search IEC profile management, then click on the surrender IEC, and once you click on the surrender IEC, check you do the login. After login, you can click on check everything detail is correct, and then after that you click on surrender. Once you surrender, your all future transaction will be revoked. I hope you have understand. Do you have any question, or do you want to reach us? You simply email us info@skillanything.com or contact in this number. Thank you so much for watching the video.